Hey guys, so before I start this video, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Teresa for sending me some coin through Venmo. I really just appreciate you. Thank you so much. It goes a long way, let me tell you. So thank you, thank you. I'm glad I can help you in any way, Teresa, and anyone else who's watching, just to narrow down your apartment search here in Vegas. So thank you again, Teresa, for sending me some coin through Venmo. So I'm here at Element Apartment Homes. Let's go check these out. These are on Charleston as well. They're about 6 minutes away from the Logan at Charleston as well that I just did. So let's go check these out and see if they got any fees or anything like that. Hidden fees, I should say. So let's go check them out. Okay guys, this is the lobby that you'll see when you come in. They do have a coffee station and a lounge as well inside. Now this vending machine is outside the gym, you guys. I feel like the gym has enough equipment for a good workout. Also, the pool is massive, so it is pretty big. Now he's showing me the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit that he has. It's not a model unit and it has no furniture, you guys, so we're just gonna see it without. I also did want to show you the 3 layouts, but I am going to show you the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom B, where that red dot is about to appear. Also, you guys, on the left corner is the fees on top of the rent. So just pause it if you need to see it for a little bit longer. But this is the unit that he's showing me. The washer and dryer is basically off of the kitchen, which I thought was pretty useful. And then on this side, you guys, you do have your dining area. You can definitely fit in a round table or a square table, just not a long one. Now this is the living room. I feel like it's pretty massive. And you also have your balcony on the side. It is pretty big as well. They do have a fireplace. I'm just not sure if you want to use it, obviously until winter. So now we're heading off to the 2nd bedroom. It does have a decent closet, you guys, and it is a pretty decent size. So this is their closet right here. And now we're heading off to the Jack and Jill bathroom, you guys. This is really cool because you don't have to have guests going through your bedroom. You can just get them going through the hallway. This is the main room. I thought it was pretty massive. You also do have the sliding door to get to the balcony. This is the closet to the main room. Again, it's pretty good size. Now we're just heading off to the bathroom. You do have a garden bathtub, so it is pretty big. And then obviously your shower head. But what I thought was pretty cool is that the toilet does have like its own separate little room, so you don't have to, completely close off the bathroom for, someone else to use it. So I thought that was pretty neat. Now we're just heading out. This is the doorway, and then this is the dog park that they have here. Okay, so I toured the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It wasn't a model unit, but he just had that one to show me. Now let's go with all the fees. So application fee is $60 per adult, non-refundable. Administration fee is $300 non-refundable. Cleaning fee is $200 non-refundable. Security deposit is $750 on approved credit, but let's say you do have a bad credit, you only need to cough up the first month's rent. Pet rent is $50 for 1 pet, $80 for 2 pets. Up to 2 pets, breed restrictions do apply. Pet fee is $350 for 1 pet, $500 for 2 pets, and this is non-refundable. And this is an Element living package. It is $135, and this includes cable, internet, valet trash service, and then water, sewer, trash is billed monthly, and that is based on usage. Renter's insurance is $15, required $100 liability coverage, and that is it. You do have Cox internet, and you do have that valet trash. Valet trash is only from Sunday through Thursday, no Friday or Saturday. Alright guys, so that was the Element Apartments here on Charleston. Like I said, this is like about 5 minutes away from the Logan at Charleston. apartments. This is an older building, you guys. It's not like super new, it's not new construction, it is an older building. So obviously I'm trying to show you guys like every apartment in Vegas. Obviously this is probably going to take me like a couple of a year or two to show you everything, but in Las Vegas. But you know, I'm just trying to show you guys different apartments, you know what I mean? Like I try to show the luxury, the middle, and the low end of apartments here in Las Vegas. So you know, you guys have options, you know, and you guys, if you have this on your list and you see it and you're like, oh, like I didn't know that they had all these like fees and stuff, then maybe you can cross it out. But if you still want to tour it, you know, definitely I always encourage you guys just to check it out for yourself. I just hope that I'm helping with narrowing down your list, you know. Okay guys, now let's see how far everything is at from these apartments. Walmart is going to be 9 minutes away. Target is going to be 4 minutes away. Costco is going to be 10 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 9 minutes away. Albertson is going to be 8 minutes away. Trader Joe is going to be 7 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 8 minutes away. Winco is going to be 8 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 4 minutes away. Petco is going to be 9 minutes away. PetSmart is going to be 6 minutes away. The airport is going to be 27 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 19 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 19 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 15 minutes away. Okay guys, so if you don't have a car, you have plenty of bus stops close by. You definitely have one near these apartments, and it is a 7-minute walk. Okay guys, so you do have a couple of hospitals and also animal hospitals close by to these apartments, as you can see. And again, this is just a request. If you do want to see casinos, they are very close by to these apartments as well. Okay guys, so that was the Element Apartments here on Charleston. This is on Charleston Boulevard, so this is like on a really busy road, as you will see when we go. Just showing you guys apartments here in Las Vegas. I'm not trying to force you to live in any of them. I'm just trying to say like, hey, if you have a list and it's a long list, hopefully I can help with that list. You know what I mean? Like narrow down a list for you. So again, these are these apartments. If I have missed anything, oh yes, and you do have to make 3 times the rent for these apartments, you guys. Again, you guys, if you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to push notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And subscribe to my channel. I am almost at 8,000 subscribers, you guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next apartment tour. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so I'm just driving through the apartment building complex, and I'm going to show you how to get to the Target that you will be basically using if you did move into these apartments. Now this is Charleston Road. This is a busy road, you guys, so I just wanted to show you that. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, and thank you so much for watching.